Hey everyone, you're watching the Braille Skateboarding channel, and before we get this video started, I just want to let you all know that the whole mission here at Braille Skateboarding, the whole mission that Aaron Cairo, the professional skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, started was teaching people how to skate. The most important thing, our whole company mission is to teach people how to skate and to get as many people on their skateboards in the world going, learning, and progressing. So when we went on the Barracks website and we saw the Heart Supply and that they were dropping boards in Target for beginners, the mantra is that a lot of boards in Target and in Walmart just aren't good enough quality to properly teach a beginner how to skateboard. It makes it a lot harder, the quality isn't as good, and that whole correlation kind of makes people go, all right, skateboarding is kind of hard, I'm not gonna learn very well on this, let me just toss the board away and never use it again. So the Heart Supply, who Jagger Eaton, who got bronze in the Olympics, is actually sponsored by them. They have launched this limited Target board, and we're gonna give it our honest Braille skateboarding review today, but I just wanna make sure that everyone knows before we start this video that we 100% back what the Heart Supply is doing. We really, really appreciate that they're making affordable boards accessible to people who are learning how to skateboard. That is our goal here at Braille Skateboarding, and we totally back it. We're just gonna give this board our review and see how it skates, and hopefully, if you haven't gotten to go pick one up yet, you go ahead and pick one up and learn how to skate.
You gotta give it love.
I got ghosted with that.
You choose your weapon in life.
Oh, the trainer rail. Wow. Yeah!
I think that's a good way to open a box.
I didn't stand a chance. Oh, whoa, we got a note.
Hold on. Good thing we didn't throw it.
There's like a whole note in there. Waddle over here, brother.
Look how cool this is. This makes me feel official.
Bro, Jagger signed it.
What?
No way!
Bronze! America, baby!
Wait, what does it say?
He's the linguist.
Heart of Gold, official member. We are now members of the Heart of Gold, whatever that is. A portion of proceeds is used to give skateboards to kids. Our aim is to give kids the gift of riding their own skateboard and welcome them to the skateboard community.
Nice.
The freedom, cultural diversity, and friendships developed from skateboarding are invaluable. Agreed. Riding a skateboard is a creative physical activity that sees no color, inspires equality, and builds self-esteem and awareness. Putting skateboards under kids' feet allows them to roll toward positive opportunities, health, and happiness. This is the certificate of authenticity, signed by Jagger himself, Jimena Reynolds, and Johnny Schillereff, the founder.
He does.
Hey.
Amana Reynolds is raw.
Dang, purple is my favorite color. We got purple wheels. We got the purple hearts and the grip tape.
Dang.
Purple and gold, beautiful combination of colors. Speed bearings, urethane wheels. Give it a spin, Gabe.
Ooh.
What ABEC you think that is?
That's at least an ABEC 3.
You're right. I don't know what it is.
Look at that.
Oh,
Dang.
okay.
Do they, like, the actual skaters, do they prefer, like, Allen key? Because, like, I personally like Phillips. That's just me.
What
Philip
does-
J. Fry.
What I like about the hex bolts though, or is that they don't strip as easy as Phillips.
Ooh.
Oh.
Hi, I'm Johnny Schillereff, the founder of the Heart Supply, and I wanted to say thanks for buying this board. By doing so, you're giving skateboards to kids in need. And right now, I'm going to pass it on over to Jagger Eaton, where he's going to teach you how to skate like a real pro.
So, we're here.
Should we take these off?
Maybe take this off. Leave the plastic on there.
Okay. Technology. I will say though, I like how informative that video was. For somebody that's just starting out skating, that was like really thought out. All right, baby. Let's get this. Let's roll.
Hello, Uzi.
Hello.
All right, he's about to test the wheels, the bearings, and the bushings.
Bearings are really good. The wheels roll really nice. They feel like they're actual really good quality urethane. The bushings work as well too. They're not getting stuck. They're turning well. So far so good.
Feel this grip tape, Mo.
Yeah, that's pretty abrasive.
So I do need your honest opinion on this grip, because I know you're a grip connoisseur. Honest opinion.
No, easy.
No kizzy, I'm gonna start off with.
A ver, amigo. Déjame ayudarte. A ver, amigo. A ver.
Wait.
Dime la verdad.
I've never really felt this type of grip tape. I don't know. This is like, I feel like,
actual sandpaper.
yeah, they got it from Home Depot. They're going somewhere. The Heart Supply trucks. I wonder if they make these in 825.
You trying to ride for them?
Wow, the Heart Foundation. That's what it's called, right?
The Heart Supply.
Thank y'all for making a cheap board for the young fellas. It's not too bad. What trick you want to see first, T?
Here's me go kickflip.
Nah, I'm going for the hardest trick I could do.
Oh!
See, sometimes with these boards, when you buy them, the shape's all funky and stuff, but this shape, pretty decent. All right, one more. This pop, brother, I'm used to Maplewood. I feel like it's skate light. It don't got my maple like a Braille deck.
You're in too deep, brother. You gotta get it.
What did I get myself into with this? Hey, but I gotta appreciate the grip tape. If they want to send some grip tape, I'll skate it. All right, right here. This is money.
Hey, that's a hard trick.
All right, it doesn't really give the switch pop that I need.
What about 3-show?
Yeah. Let's see.
You got a wheel bite?
It's the trucks, bro.
Oh! Tighten the trucks, maybe? Yeah, that's loosening them. Oh.
It's tight and it's still hitting the wheel. I'm being honest right now. The wheel shouldn't be hitting the board and it's pretty tight. As you can see, the kingpin is sticking up now. So this is like a no-go for me whenever I do like grinds, like 50-50 or feebles or crooks. Like I don't think I should be going above the truck because that's not gonna be good for me. When I land a trick, I should be able to slide through because look at that. You see the paint missing right there? The paint is missing because the wheel just caught the board. What this does whenever you wax it right there, it allows the wheel to just slide through because the wax is helping it move. So those are just my thoughts right now without even skating the board. So let's skate the board. Ollie. I didn't mean to do ollie, I was just trying to do a normal ollie. Okay, I like the way it's popping. Let me hit a quick board slide real quick.
Wow! Not bad.
Shooting kingpins, you still backfitted that really nicely.
I feel the wheels are a little slick for me. Just pay attention to this sound. It's a very particular sound.
Oh, I love that sound.
I mean, my new wheels, it does not let me do that. It does not let me go. Chris mentioned something. I did grind the rail, even with this, but look at where I grinded. Right there on that side. Someone that's learning how to 50-50, if your truck's, the kingpin is sticking out, what's gonna happen?
Oh my God. You're gonna get sent into Mars.
But because I've been skating for so long, I know how to approach the rail, where to lock on. I think this is a really well done board. This is just my opinion. Remember, there's many more opinions here. There's Chris's opinion, there's Glow's opinion, there's Uzi's opinion. So everyone,
Kickflip, no?
I'm just saying, like, yeah, let's see the kickflip.
Let me know what you think. I want to know.
A lot of people might be watching this, Dan, so can you just make me look good? Thank you. Hey, at least I did the burial first try.
Back to back.
I did almost slip out right there.
How do the wheels feel then?
They are slippery, but I'm not gonna say it's definitively because the wheels are slippery, but I also think we're wheel biting so much that some of the wax is staying on the wheels as well. Hey, I'm gonna double flip better than my regular flip. Wasn't the best, but I'll take it. If you're a beginner, I think it's gonna be fine for you. It's my honest review. It's not the best quality. It's not supposed to be the best quality.
So
it just is what it is. It serves its purpose.
I think this board's really good if you're learning to roll around, get your balance. Basically, my only two complaints is the kingpin, which if you're a beginner, you're not really worried about it because you're not gonna like do a lot of 50-50s or anything. And then the space right here, which if you're like, you know, a bigger kid, you might have some issues getting wheel bite. But like I said, you can get riser pads and remedy that. Overall, it's pretty good. Like I said, if you're just trying to roll around, get your balance, get your foot in the door with skating, this is a good board to try out. And yeah, it looks cool too.
I want to see how it'll hold up just skating the 5-stair. Like, I just want to do like basic tricks like ollie, 180, and see how it feels compared to like my board. Obviously, like there's a huge difference, but I want to inform whoever is gonna buy this like how it feels to skate a 5-stair. Because like I know as a beginner, I would just send it off a 5, even with my board broken sometimes, just because that's who I am and that's how I approach things. Like you learn a trick, and sometimes you just want to go to the 5-stair and do it, or the 3-stair. But the 5-stair I feel like is just perfect enough for its like borderline beginner.
I now understand why Mowgli is so good at skateboarding.
Wow.
That was actually really surprisingly good.
The grip was not gripping with me right now. I thought I was saying bye to my future. He's checking it out. Look, he's doing a thorough.
On this board, you could see each individual piece of whatever that is, sand. And then on mine, it's the whole thing. This is light on on the grip.
Okay.
Nollie?
Yeah.
Front feeble to rail.
Let me nollie this real quick.
I thought he was dead.
Bro, both of your feet came off the board.
I didn't notice that. Okay, Uzi wants to see front feeble. I'll do that.
Look what you did. Look what you did.
Please be careful. This is a secret. Pros don't really drop this knowledge on you. I'm gonna drop this knowledge.
Holy kingpin.
They shave their kingpin down
With a grinder.
with a grinder so they don't hit. Leave in the comments if you ever seen that. But
I've seen
this
it.
is
This is a big one.
I saw Shane O'Neill doing that literally like last week. Usually, brand new skateboards do not stick on a handrail.
Wow.
I got stuck right there. This wasn't even the paint. Well, I gotta wax my board now.
So Rick, you've had a taste of this board before.
Deja vu. What happened, huh?
What were your thoughts on it, Rick?
I tried to trade for the 3-stair.
Bodied it?
Broke. Well, you bought the wrong one, brother. You gotta get the Olympic one. Jagger Eden Pro Model.
Ricky, he beat us to the party. You already reviewed yours on your channel, right?
Hey, I gotta get in quick.
Basically, we all agree that it serves its purpose as a beginner board, but anything above that, it's not good enough quality to.
Pro certified.
Exactly.
I did land a pretty good double flip on it.
Footed, really?
Yeah.
You know, we're working on Braille 3.0 right now. It's not quite finished, so we're making this an official street spot.
Is it done?
It looks really cool.
Is this how, is it the,
Yeah, no, I wouldn't walk on it.
like this?
first person to skate the double set on a.
Hit an ollie.
Look,
I don't got my board.
so far, the impact test, I know I haven't landed on it, but like usually you see some skaters put their full force, like as they're falling, it's holding up. I'm very impressed with that, honestly. I really am.
Did not hold up against Rick.
Mowgli seems to be wearing a cap today. You know what the best part of a Sharpie is?
What?
The cap.
Uh-oh. Dude! Oh! What is going on in your head, brother?
Alright, ready for this? This is gonna be a new one. Thank you.
Great! Here we are, the Heart Supply Barracks collaboration target board, just for you.
Taller again?
Why does everybody say that?
Because you got taller again. What are you eating? You're eating broccoli only or what?
I'm back in the gym, baby.
Another inch and a half. I feel like one of those grandmas that's just like, oh, you've gotten so big.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Hold on. All right. Okay. Does it come with the plastic over it?
Yeah.
I'm not going to say nothing. All right.
Who's there?
Hello?
It smells weird.
I do like the color scheme.
My goodness.
Bam and Jarrah colors.
It seems quite awesome. This grip tape,
You should have seen it. I tried to nollie the 5. It almost went up.
yeah, the grip tape could be a grip tape. Other than that, feels like a Walmart board. How's everybody been? I feel like I haven't been here forever on a Saturday. Oh! How are you guys? That's good.
All right, what's the Nigel rating out of 10?
I feel like the Barracks is like a local skate shop in a way. Grew up on it, so I gotta support that. I'm gonna give it a 6.63. Nah, I give it a 7. Nah, I give it a 6.63.
All right, Mo, three flip lip.
Okay. Hey Rick, is it surviving the 3 flip lip? No? I think it is.
First proper weight on it, broken.
I didn't think. Hey, this board was fire for that. That was really good. Like I did not expect it to flip and form into that much of a perfect. It got me shook midair.
Oh! It did not break, brother.
How much you weigh?
140.
What's 140 in kilograms?
63.5.
I really weigh 17 kilograms more than Mowgli.
How much you weigh, Rick? 180?
Like 80 plus kilograms.
Whoa! That reminds me of the Willy Wonka golden ticket.
Is this printed or is this?
No, that's pen.
Dang, authentic.
I know, bronze. Look, I don't even know. I didn't.
I felt like it went. Hey, that was cool though.
Wow!
Oh!
We got
He
that.
broke it. He broke it.
We're good, we're good, we're good. It only broke to right there. We're still good. Hey, it's all love here.
What's your final review?
It's love. I really want that. Like, now I have to do it. Hold on. I'm sorry. I have to do it for myself. Hey, just for a quick little reference, my board was already broken and it did not break after getting cracked. So
The mission here at Braille Skateboarding is to teach people how to skate, and the Heart Supply is trying to do that. They're putting an affordable board in stores that are readily available to a lot of people. So if this is the only board that you can get your hands on and you're trying to learn how to skate, anything is better than nothing. Let's teach the world. That's what it's all about. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And like I said, we want you all to learn how to skate. We have everything you need with our Braille Army Plus membership. Y'all are the best. Good luck. Have some fun.
The world.